Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows update stuck at 0% in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, it doesn't matter about the percentage at which it is stuck. If it is stuck for a very long time and you're sure about it, yeah, you have to wait for hours in some cases, especially in the case of cumulative updates. But let's say that it is stuck for a very long time. Then you will have to reset Windows Update components. Now, just copy this script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and wait. I'll tell you what the script does. So it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. But since it deleted the Windows Update profile and the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders, this solves our problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.